cricket eating episode. I'm gonna have a hard time with this, and I'm the one that wanted to
17.
do this. Minus 16.
We've eaten so many crickets by this point.
Oh my god, I'm so full of crickets. Hey, good episode.
Yeah, that was
good
great.
episode. Yeah, good job, buddy. Good job. Okay. 3, 2, 1. One of the things I always thought would be great to try crickets.
Insects apparently are a good source of protein.
A super source of protein. So I've been trying to buy them because I actually want to use them in cooking. And what I found on Amazon was a sample pack of flavored roasted crickets. I'm going to help you, with the help of JP, decide whether or not you want them based on our reaction.
Yeah.
I also got a bottle of rum. So we're going to start with the original roasted flavor.
Maybe we should read what's in here. All right, ingredients: roasted crickets. Oh, that's all that there is in this one.
Okay.
Just roasted crickets.
Individuals with a crustacean shellfish allergy may be allergic to crickets.
So let's find out if we have shellfish allergies.
Here we go. First impression, there's wings in there.
Yep, we got wings.
These are tiny crickets. No legs.
Well, you ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Dan.
The wings are kind of folded up against them. Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Oh, it tastes like
Dried chickpea.
Wait, it was dry. That's exactly what it tastes like.
Dried chickpeas. I wonder if you can make hummus out of these.
Clap your hands really fast if you think hummus is the best.
Take a handful.
They're so dry. It's just dry.
Totally have no problem eating this plain
No, I have no problem.
as a snack. That flavor's
Especially
not...
because they're crispy.
All right, which ones are these? The hickory smoked bacon.
That sounds good.
I'm gonna take 2 at a time because they're so tiny.
Yeah, they are small. There's some hickory smoke flavor similar to like what's on almonds, except no salt.
So let's add a little salt. A little salt made them really good.
2 for 2, crickets are good.
Crickets are good.
It's good.
Buffalo wing sauce.
Tough to clink them, they're small.
Okay, so that one doesn't taste like buffalo wings to me at all.
Nah, it really wasn't. I mean, I get a little bit of the vinegary.
That's it. It's like, oh, there's a little vinegar, and now it's
Yeah.
gone. Spicy cayenne pepper. And if you grab them too hard, they disintegrate, so.
They taste like the normal ones, but spicy. I'll eat a handful of these.
Okay, that's a big handful. Here we go.
All right. Oh, that was crunchy.
Very. Nah, I dig it.
It tastes like crickets.
This isn't just ranch, buddy.
Cheesy ranch.
It's cheesy ranch.
I'm not a huge ranch fan.
This better not suck.
Ranch dressing almost ended my life.
Handful.
Only slight ranch.
It's the one that has the most flavor added that almost complements it. It's not like I'm going to cover up the flavor of cricket. It's more like I'm going to enhance the flavor of cricket.
Enhance.
Just print the damn thing.
These aren't as freaky as, they would sound to be.
I was looking forward to trying them, but then I was like, I probably won't confront the idea that it's a bug until we get there, but that doesn't bug me at all.
There you go. Try a cricket. I think I'm actually going to try some type of recipe. Buy yourself some cricket bites. I'll try
Maybe leave them out at a party in a bowl.
What bug would you eat before you ate a cricket? Please click like and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks.